Today we're going to be focusing on the sight words have and six. For have, it is H, A, V, E. This sight word you can sound out H, A, V. Have. The E in have is silent. The second word that we're going to be looking at today is six. This is a sight word that we can sound out. S, I, X, S-I-X. Six. Have and six. Now that we've talked about our sight words and you've watched the two videos showing our new sight words have and six, you're going to be completing the Know It, Show It page for these words. You're going to read it, trace it, write it for both have and six. Then you're going to color the words have and six. Try your best to stay in those lines. Then at the very bottom, you're going to circle those words have and six. When you are all done, please make sure you save it and then hit turn in.